Hey everyone, it's Sarah at Repeat Crafter Me, and I'm coming at you with a cool new yarn. It's Bernat Blanket O'Go. It's available at Michael's stores, and I'm going to show you how to make two cute Christmas crafts. We're going to be making wreaths. So all the supplies you see are from Michael's craft store, michaels.com, in stores as well. So let's just go ahead and get started. Obviously, we're going to be doing a Santa version, and we're going to be doing a gingerbread version too. So let's get started with the O'Go yarn. Really cool new yarn format. And all we're going to do is we're going to open this up. Okay. So you have kind of a ring form. You're gonna, oop, just snapped off. Sometimes you have to clip it. Sometimes it just pulls right apart. And I'm gonna grab inside, if I can get it. That one popped on me, huh? Grabbing the end if I can. Well, if I can't, I'm just gonna leave it in there, huh? I'm gonna be using this color for my gingerbread wreath. So let's just go ahead and separate these colors. So we can grab this. All right, here we go. A pesky little end, huh? I see what the problem is. There we go. Okay. All right, I'm just gonna separate this. I'm gonna clip here where the yarn meets. I'm gonna set this one off to the side. Now we're ready to wrap our foam wreath form, craft foam, available at Michael's. Take off that sticker. This is a 10-inch wreath form. Okay. I also picked up this round wreath form. It's about 1.5 inches. Okay, so all we're gonna do, no crochet hooks, no knitting needles needed. We are going to wrap our wreath in this nice little brownish gingerbready yarn. You know what, I think I'm gonna start at the seam. I'm gonna grab my glue gun. Just gonna start by putting a little glue just to secure it. Just gonna start wrapping all the way around. Okay. You can just squeeze it together as you go. Use a little glue if needed, here and there. Come on. Let me get my other O'Go out of the way. Just send it right through the middle. Once you get going, I'll show you, and you can just tighten it as you go. Look at that. Okay, just continue. The O'Go easily kind of pulls on that end to unravel. So let's keep going. Okay, clip this. we have our wreath wrapped. Now let's get started on the embellishments. Okay, still using our O'Go yarn. We are going to make the head and the little hands. So for these, I just used the Creatology foam sheets. Come in so many different colors at Michael's. So I just cut with the brown, just little hand shapes, and I'm using my glue gun and just wrapping the yarn on top just so it matches the rest of our wreath here. Okay. All right. So we have these cute hands, and we are gonna do the little white kind of swirl thing for the gingerbread. And then let's get started on this. So same idea, we're just gonna wrap this with the Bernat Blanket O'Go yarn. I'm getting glue everywhere here, so let's see if we can open this up. Again, this is a circular foam piece purchased at Michael's. It's about 1.5 inches. This is gonna be our face. If I can, where's the end here? Get it. Okay, so just gonna unwrap this. Okay, and now you can either start from the middle or you can start from the outer edge, and you really don't have to cover the back. But yeah, so maybe we'll just start on the edge and we'll just start wrapping. So you are gonna wanna use your glue gun. Get it started here before it dries. Okay. Okay, so here's the fun part. Let's add on the embellishments to the face and the hands. So I used the foam core, cut out little circle eyes. Oh, sorry, these are the cheeks, the eyes, and then you can even cut out a little smile. So those are all just gonna go right onto, we're gonna hot glue these on. Okay, it's gonna be so cute. But first, let's open our other O'Go here to get some of that white yarn. And this is gonna be the fun part because we're also gonna use this for our second wreath. Okay, oh, wow, okay. That just comes right apart, didn't even have to snip. All right, pull this out. Is it coming out? I don't think it got out enough because I just need this. Right, I'm cutting off the white part. Cut to the side. We have our white O'Go yarn. Okay, and then I'm just gonna do, you know how on Gingerbread Men and Women, they have that little, I don't know, what do you call it? The little rick-rack zigzag piece. We're gonna do that on the hands and we're gonna do that on the head. So you're gonna wanna place everything on, make sure you like it. Before you officially glue everything down. Okay, so we're gonna need a piece over here. I'm gonna do it across the head. So I'm gonna start gluing this piece down because I know I want it here. How's that looking, huh? Just a little dab on those little top and bottom zigzag pieces. Is that what we call them, zigzags? to leave me a note in the comments. Let me know what these things are called. There we go. Looking so cute. Okay. All right. Let's see, did I get that? Yep. Dry a minute. Woo! So cute. Okay. Now, gotta attach everything to our wreath. Oh my gosh, you guys, how cute is this? Oh, I should have let that dry. Okay. Then, what we're gonna do, we can glue those on. Use a cute something like this. This I got at Michael's as well. So maybe we'll use that. Or what we could do, I have it here. So this is just the top of a little to-go container. We could do a little baking sheet. And he could be holding the gingerbread, whatever you decide. So many ideas, you guys. Anyway, those are some options. All right, I'm gonna keep it simple. I think I'm just gonna leave my guy like this. And then I think I might just put this cute little thing here. I think I can even, maybe that. They also have, these are all from Michael's. cute little embellishments. So it could be holding little candy pops. All right, let's start gluing. Check that out. So cute. Yay. All right, let's make a Santa wreath. Very, very simple. I'm using my leftover white cream color Ogo yarn from my other project. So it's easily can separate from the bigger ring. And this is really all you'll need, maybe even less. Got this 10-inch foam craft ring. It is about 10 inches, and they got this at Michael's. And you can also pick up this Santa hat at Michael's, usually in store seasonally, and then always online on michaels.com. All you need to do is cut strands of your Bernat Blanket O'Go yarn 25 inches. So I've already have a lot of strands going on here, so I'll cut more in a minute, but I just want to begin to show you all you need to do, and we can take off that sticker. Okay. All right, so you are going to take your wreath. You're going to fold your strand in half, okay? And you are just going to loop it around. Pull those strands through the top, pull tight. Okay, all we're doing is we're making Santa's beard. Okay, so fold your yarn in half, and then you're just gonna loop it around, pull tight. Okay, so simple. So we're just gonna keep going.
Or shorter, whatever you prefer. Pull tight.
Okay. So this could, you could keep going. You could go all the way up here. Just gonna stop there. You could also trim a little bit on the ends. You decide. Now we take our hat, our Santa hat. So just clip off the tag. I didn't do that yet. And you're just going to slip it around there. So we have the Santa hat and the beard. Now you could take a little bit of hot glue. Just hot glue that on. And you know what? I'm going to do a couple more strands there. But you guys get the idea. Santa beard, Santa hat, your wreath is done. So easy and cute.